Hi guys, good morning. So guys, this is my 33rd day of English speaking challenge. So you know, I have to learn the expression. I have to learn the expression that how to do the facial expression or how to use the gestures of your hand. So I have to develop these skills. So I have to develop these habits, okay, into me. So I so I have seen so many people. I have seen so many people doing this. When they try to express themselves, then they used to use their hand gestures, and because of them, they look attractive at the time of speaking. Yes. So I also want to develop. So I also want to develop the same skills into me. Yes. So how does it happen? So how would it happen? I have to make this happen, but I don't know how I would make it. But I have to make it, then make it. I have to do it, then do it. Yes. So first of all, first of all, I have to learn. I have to learn the art of speaking. Yes, means how to talk and how to speak. I have to I have to master this skill first of all, and thereafter I can learn the expression. Means I have to go step by step, Okay, it is just like a ladder. Okay, means if you go to the terrace, then you have to go by upstairs, then you have to go to the by the stairs, you have to go there by the help of stairs. Okay, so it is similar so similarly it is so similarly so similarly you have to go to the same way. So similarly you have to go to the same way. Yes, means if you want to develop these skills, means the expression if you want to develop these skills, means expression and hand gestures, then first of all we have to learn the art of speaking. Yes, and after getting the skill and after master this skill, you can go you can go to the another field. Yes, but first of all you have to master this entire skill. You have to master this whole skill, entire skill. Okay, and after that you can go to the another field. Yes, but I have to tell you that master this skill first of all. Okay, and thereafter and thereafter and after that jump into another field. Yes, and I have been heard this from Deepak Dahiya many times. He used to speak in his video that if you want to do something in your life, and if you want to do something in your life, and if your goal is very big, then start working at that at that particular thing. Yes, means don't do multiple tasks. don't do multiple don't do multiple tasks to be good, for being good. Okay, means you have to focus only on one thing. You have to focus only on one thing. Okay, don't focus on so many things. Okay, because this way you can never achieve your goal. Means you have to become a content creator, then you have to focus on it. Okay, and if you could focus on it on a daily basis, then the chances are high then the chances are high, the possibilities are high. Yes. So I have also decided that if I want to master if I have to master this skill if I have to master this skill if I have to master this skill, then I have to focus on it. Carefully. Yes, and mindfully and carefully. Okay, I have to do this mindfully and carefully. Then I can then I can then I can develop then I can develop this skill into me. Otherwise it's not gonna happen to me. I know very well of this. So I'm not I will never waste my time. Whatever I will do, I will do it with my heart, with my full heart. Yes, I will do it with my full heart. Yes, whatever I will know, whatever I'll have the knowledge, whatever I'll have the knowledge about that, about some particular thing, about something, then I will do that. I will do that. Okay, and I will never hide, and I'm not gonna hide anything, and I'm not gonna hide anything from you. Okay, whatever I will know, I will definitely tell you. Okay, don't worry about this. Don't worry. Don't worry about this point. Okay, I will definitely do that. So, you know, I have heard, I have also heard from the people that the person who hits his, the person who hides his knowledge, then he's a, then he's very, then he is considered to be a, then he is supposed to be a, then he is supposed to be a fool. Then he is supposed to be a fool. Then he is supposed to be a fool. Yes, I have, and thereafter, and after that I listened, and after that I listened to the another line that if you could share your knowledge to others, and that is really helping to, and that is really helping to them, then it's very good. You are at the right path. You are at the right path, and you are doing very nice, and you are doing very nice in the field, in your field. Okay, so I also want you to speak English. I also want you to speak English like I am speaking right now to you, like I am speaking right now in front of you. Okay. So how I spoke, by practicing, by making daily videos, by speaking on camera, by facing the camera every day. Yes. So if you want to learn something, then you have to practice. Then you have to practice it. Otherwise, it's not going. Otherwise, it's not gonna happen. Yes. Means you have to be immersed. You have to be immersed. You have to be immerse yourself. You have to be immerse yourself into. If you have to be immerse yourself in it. Yes. I mean to say, you have to put your efforts every day. You have to put your efforts every day. You got to make your efforts every day. If you want to learn this, if you want to learn this skill, if you wanna learn this skill now, then you have to learn it. Then you have to give your 100% for learning this language, for learning this. Okay, for achieving this. Yes. So it's getting 8 minutes of my videos, and I have to speak something else. I have to speak something else. I have to speak something more. Yeah. I have to speak something more. I have to speak something more. Okay. So so the weather is not so good. The weather is not so good. I'm feeling hot. And today I thought that I will clean my hair. I will soap my hair. I will soap my hair. I will soap my hair, and I don't shampoo my hair, but I soap my hair. Yes, means every 2 days, every 2 days I used to clean my hairs. I used to wash my hair. Yes, every every 2 days, every 2 days, every 2 days I used to wash my hairs. Yes, because I used to work in the market, and because of the pollution and dust, I think hairs my hairs get touched. My hairs get touched, and my hairs get dusty, and my hairs get dirty, and because of that, and because of that only, I have to wash my hairs. And if I would be at my home, then I would not wash my hand. Then I would not wash my hairs that much. Then I would not wash my hairs that much. Yes, means I will increase the days. I will increase the days of I will increase the days of my washing hairs. Yes. So it's very important to take care of your body. It's very important to take care of your hairs, your face, each and everything of your body. Yes. So right now I'm using a face wash of Pond's charcoal. Pond's charcoal. So that face wash, I did not like, yaar. I was using something else. I was something different. So earlier I was using something different, I was using different face wash earlier. And this face wash is not suitable for my skin. It's not suitable to me, yeah. It's not suitable for me. I've been seeing this, yes. It is not suitable for me. Means it is darkening my skin. It is not removing the it is unable to remove the oils. It is unable to remove the oils from my face, or from the skin, yes. And I'm getting the acne also. And I want a clean face and bright face, yes. And I was getting that by that face wash. But by mistakes I got this face wash. I thought that it is also very nice. It should be also very nice. It would be also very nice, because the brand of this face wash is Pond's, so maybe it would be good. And because of my misunderstanding, I got to I had to I had to take this I had to take this face wash. And because of the compulsion, I'm using this. But I don't want to use it more. I'm gonna leave it. So guys, this is all about today. I will see you at the same time, at the same place. Until you, take care. Bye. See you tomorrow onwards.